Hi, and welcome to the FieldAR tutorial series. My name is Kyle, and I'm the founder and lead software developer for FieldAR. If you're not familiar with FieldAR, it's a cutting-edge augmented reality app for the AEC industry that features single-tap 3D model loading and auto-alignment to the real world, making it super convenient for anyone on your team to quickly and easily view the project BIM or 3D models overlaid onto the real-world construction site with a single tap. In this video, we will cover uploading 3D models directly from the FieldAR mobile app. In the next video, we will cover uploading and updating models from the FieldAR plugins for Navisworks Manage and Revit. Your 3D models, or BIM, when uploaded to the FieldAR cloud service, will be made available to your entire team to view in augmented reality at your construction sites. Once a model is uploaded, you'll receive an automatically generated QR code target that you can print out and install at your construction site. Let's get started. From your dashboard in the FieldAR mobile app, we can see the project we've created in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend checking out the link here before continuing. Let's open the project. Under the Project Management section, let's tap the Add New Model button, which will open the Model Details panel. Let's name our model. In my case, I'll name my model Terminal A. In the Model Location field, I'm going to specify the East Wing. The model location field is optional, but for larger projects with many model chunks, the location makes it easier to quickly identify the area where the model is located in the field. I'll leave this Allow Markups toggle checked, since I'd like to allow anyone on my team to create markups in this model. The Markups tool is something we'll cover in a later video, but basically allows anyone who views the model in AR to take a picture or 3D scan and include details about an issue on site. Markups are linked directly to a location in the model and in the real world. The markup sketches and 3D scans can easily be viewed by your BIM team from the Navisworks or Revit plugins, or directly from the FieldAR mobile app while on or away from the project site. With our basic model info set up, let's tap the Upload Model File button. From here, you can navigate to any file hosting platform available on your device like Box, SharePoint, Dropbox, or Google Drive, and choose the 3D model file that you have stored. The full list of compatible 3D model file types for the mobile app are available on our website at fieldar.app/FAQ. I'm going to choose an FBX file from my Dropbox to upload. Once the 3D model file is finished loading, you'll be able to inspect it with these simple navigation tools in the upper left corner. The crossed arrows button lets you pan around the model, and the spinning circles button lets you orbit the model. The crosshairs button lets you tap a surface to focus in on it. The app is prompting us to place the QR target marker in a location in the model, so let's do that now. We recommend choosing a wall or a vertical surface to place the target. Later on, we will print out the QR marker and place it on the same corresponding wall at the actual job site. Now that I have the QR marker placed on a wall that I know will be easily accessible to my team members at the job site, let's tap the Next button in the upper right corner to continue. Next, we will position the model to snap a picture of it. I'll position the model so that it's easily identifiable and tap the Save Model Image button. Then we can tap the Next button. Finally, we can preview our model details, and if everything looks good, we can tap the Save Model button. Once the model upload has finished processing, we can tap this button to download the QR target image to our photos. Then we can head back to the project panel. Now we can see our model is listed in our project. If we tap the model from this list, the Model Details panel will open and we can perform various actions. The Edit Model button lets us update the actual 3D model file. The Edit Details button lets us update the basic model details. These red buttons will help us place the QR target printout in the real world and place cloud anchors, which will help us automatically align the 3D model at the actual project site. Since these are more advanced topics, we will cover these two tools in a separate video. Lastly, the Download QR Target button will simply download the QR target image whenever we need it. It's also important to mention here that your team members who view this model will only see the basic model details and will not be shown these buttons. These are just for the project admin and anyone assigned to the project with specific permissions. We will cover roles and permissions more in depth in the upcoming Enterprise Projects video. The View Details button at the bottom will open the 3D model and allow us to view any markups that we have created by team members at the job site. Since we don't have any markups in our model yet, we'll skip this for now. That's it for this tutorial on uploading models from the FieldAR mobile app. In the next video, we'll cover uploading models from Navisworks and Revit. We're super excited that you're giving FieldAR a try, and I can't wait to see how your construction sites benefit from accessible augmented reality, so tag us in your posts. Our LinkedIn and social media channels are in the bio. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.